circuit, no? Voltage is the reference we are taking, so it should be lag circuit. Lag circuit means it should be RL, but we have one capacitor. Yes, though capacitor there, the value of XC XL will be greater than XC, so that the resultant reactance will be only inductive. Then already we have resistance. Then XL minus XL greater than XC. Then in that case, what will happen? We'll get the total as lag circuit. So inside the box, shall I go for the inductor or capacitor? It should be inductor only. So the entire circuit now. He has given this VC, we know this current 1 ampere, applied voltage VRMS, we don't know this, that has to be determined, and the resistance are 800 ohm. So we should find out aligned VRMS. VC is how much it is, 100 ohm. First we'll do one thing, power factor of the circuit. Here, so how there's a box. I'll do one thing, I'll show. Let's come for this one. So the current will be like this. I'll show that phasor diagram. Let's come for this. Across the inductor, current leads the voltage, no? So VL should be like this. VC should be like this. And this is I. Now don't get confused because it is here, no? It's available here. And this is VR. So construct the phasor diagram. Already, you know, I'm just this is VR, this is VL, this is VC. And it's telling current lags the voltage. So therefore the VRMS must come here. And there's also I. So the effective triangle you can assume L, R, you can assume some 10 capacitors, 10 inductors, 10 resistors in the box. Unknowns will be more. So try to solve the problem to get answer. You can assume L and R also, no problem. Unknowns will be more, no? And it's telling there is only one. In box open, if more than one element, okay, you can pick up that one. If we look at the situation, read the question, that one. Inductor or capacitor, finish short. Both cannot be. Unknowns will become more. L1 and C1. We can't solve. Always assume some minimum elements in that. Or depend upon the situation better. Okay, now we know we don't know anything about VL here, no? This is VL. We don't have information of VL. Let's come for, do we know VR? Applying Ohm's law across individual elements. So VR is equal to I into R. I is 180 volt. Let's go for the impedance triangle. The impedance triangle will be from the impedance triangle cos phi. So first we'll write impedance Z is equal to, this should be R square plus XL minus XC whole square. What all we know and we don't know. Let me apply Ohm's law across capacitor. I into XC. We know I is 1 ampere. X is what? 1 by omega C. We know VC, we know omega, we'll get the capacitance C. Okay, now I know XC, I know R. XL and Z is unknown thing. Okay, keep this equation 1. Let's write cos phi should be equal to R by mod of Z, R by root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. So we know cos phi 0.8, we know R, we know XC, then we'll get XL. That XL value I'll substitute here. Okay, from XL, and what is XL? XL is equal to omega L. I think straight away we know R, and XC I'm calculating from here, VC by I. I'll get XC. That value of XC I'll substitute here. I know R. Then or directly come for here. You substitute XC, R here, and we know cos phi will get XL. From XL we get omega L. No, that should be inductor, and we know value also. What is L is equal to XL by omega. How to get voltage this one? So after getting L, XL, Ohm's law across inductor, I into XL. We know I and we XL we have calculated. We'll get VL. After getting VL, then apply the formula. This will be VRMS square is equal to VL minus VCO square plus VR square. I'm showing the entire numerical. Try to see this one. So at least try to realize it's all about the formulas. Cos phi R by Z, impedance, the formula, Ohm's law across each element. I don't have answer. I could not upload. Later on I'll enter and post it. Okay, this one. First one, the box earlier 5 ohm. Okay, previous one I'll give the answer. We should calculate this one. No? So this was the 5 ohm. Previous one. Okay, this I'll give the answer. Wait. Question number
10,000.
Applied voltage, no? That V is asking. 100 volt. VRMS is 100 volt. The inductance value given is 0.4 by pi or 1.6 by pi. Quadratic equation will come, solve it. You'll get the two values. Be careful here.
Sir,
Not get a quadratic, sir.
he won't get quadratic, sir, because he already gave that current lags behind voltage, so only one of them will be correct.
1.6 will be correct.
Oh, yes, given current lags beyond the voltage, no? Then okay. I think I'll current lags. If it doesn't mention, then we'll get two values. So I'll take out this one then.